Hi, I'm Mathias Serra, and forget the cliché, a trader can actually live his best life in a van. Hike, dirt bike, kayak, ski, beauty, but always with philosophy. I will bring you with me no matter if it's in a blizzard or a volcano. You're gonna rediscover Europe and the game of life like never before. So subscribe to not miss any of my next expedition. My god, I almost drove the entire day and I'm finally here in Hungary. I wanted to manage to go to Balaton, but I was too tired, and I found a nice spot on the way. It's actually the national ski slope of Hungary. There is a huge parking over there, as you can see, and someone is parked there as well, so I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna spend the night here. I found a spot 2 minutes from walk from the beach. Perfect. I spent the day just chilling in this Hungarian station. I did some motorbike, and now I decided to move to the famous Balaton, the biggest lake in Europe. And for that I decided to move to Tihany. There is a small hill with a beautiful village. Be careful there because not all the parkings are for the vans, so be sure to check the Park for Night app to park there. Believe me, this is the best view on the Balaton because this lake, the coast is really flat, and it's only here where you have a hill, and look at that behind me. Boom. So funny because we can see the Balaton Sounds Festival from here. I'm gonna go tomorrow. Sunset is almost finished and I like it so much. The restaurant food is not the best, but the view is incredible for the sunset, so I definitely recommend you to go to the Echo's restaurant. And now I'm gonna go back to the van to plan my day for tomorrow. I have to admit, Tihany is my favorite village or my favorite city of Balaton. You really have to walk here to explore and see all what the city has to offer in terms of restaurants. I'm super happy because I found a nice spot right next to the Balaton. It's free. I mean, there is some campers here. The only thing you have to do is like wake up 8 or 9. Tonight is one of the first nights I'm sleeping in a parking with so many vans next to me, and you know, I just realized how lucky I was to sleep alone in the wild. Now you hear the sounds of everyone, and also I try not to make too much sound. I also realized another thing is that van life is about searching something, using it, and then place it again where it's stored. And if you have access on everything quite easily, very fast, it's nice. Be sure that you have access on everything at the first move or two move max. Deet, 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 deet. 3, 2, 1, let's go! And here we are on the ferry. We're gonna go from Tihany, from north part of Balaton to the south. And this ferry is like maximum 10 minutes. It goes very fast. But I like to be on the water. The water is so beautiful in July, August. Wow, the color is wonderful. I arrived in my first camping here in Hungary. I decided to spend the weekend in a camping because I plan to go to the Balaton Sounds, which is just next to the camping. It's so great, and also it's very full during the weekend, so it's better to sleep inside a camping. And also I feel like I'm gonna sleep well, because I was always a little bit, I don't know, not sleeping very well, because when you do wild camping every day, after 2 weeks you are a bit tired of waking up very early and not sleeping good when a car passes by. So yeah, look at that. I'm gonna be great here for the weekend. I like to see how the people feel like home in campings, and yeah, I like this ambience. Very chill, natural, grass. Actually, this is the first time I'm putting this out. I'm used to go to Tomorrowland in a cable cabin on the ski slope, and I'm thinking to go to the Balaton Sound in paddle. What do you think? Should I do it or not? After a nice afternoon on the beach, on the paddle, I had a nice dinner in the camping, and now I'm going straight to the festival to see Lost Frequencies. It's so weird, this is the first time I'm going to a festival alone, but I know I'm for sure would meet some friends over there.
The summer is coming and it feels so good.
When I see the camping I am in, it's full comfort comparing to where the people are sleeping in tents next to each other.
Even when it rains, the sun shines over you. I can't wait to spend the whole summer with you. I can't wait to spend the whole summer with you, with you, with you, with you, with you.
finish this video with this beautiful sunset. Make sure to subscribe and I see you in the next video. Bye bye. I'm fucked for the next 2 weeks. Now I'm treating